But the lion was rushing down at such a speed that it grew larger every moment, and before they had time even to ask themselves what it was they were already on level with it. And now it no longer looked like a toy castle, but rose frowning in front of them. No face looked over the battlements, and the gates were fast shut. And Aslan, not at all slacking in his pace, rushed straight as a bullet toward it. "The witch is home!" he cried. "Now, children, hold tight!" Next moment the whole world seemed to turn upside down, and the children felt as if they had left their insides behind them, for the lion had gathered himself together for a greater leap than any he had yet made, and jumped, or you may call it flying rather than jumping, right over the castle wall. The two girls, breathless but unhurt, found themselves tumbling off his back in the middle of a wide stone courtyard full of statues.